Black Man, and this is this Saturday. It's about 45 degrees. It's the Saturday after SmackDown when Sonya Deville fought Mandy Rose one-on-one, and Dolph Ziggler and Sonya had a promo in the back there right after Otis, and Mandy had a promo in the back there. Mandy kissed Otis. Corbin went on top of the ladder at the main event at the end. He held the briefcase up at the top of the ladder for no reason. So this is proving that today is that day. I'm on a bus right now going southbound, and this is the track that people like to talk about, like a lot of people are on. And as you can see, there's not a lot of people outside today, so people are staying home and staying safe. Maybe because like it was a one-time thing, people were going out there, but currently there's none to hardly anybody out here on this cold day on the weekend.